The construction of our estate has made major strides since our last progress update. We now have fully roofed 2 and 3 bedroom block of flats with windows installed to allow natural light to enter into each room. Additionally, conduit piping for mechanical and electrical use as well as drainage systems has been installed. We have a passionate team of architects, engineers and designers who work round the clock to make sure that your home meets the highest standard of safety and luxury. Our experienced construction crew is always fully committed to delivering projects on time without compromising on the quality of your home. At Le Grande, we make sure your home is built with perfection. This estate is covered with a title of CFO and its facilities include 24-hour security, 24 hours electricity, shopping centers, a medical center, gym, parks, pools and so much more. Through our rent-to-own scheme, you can own a home in the new Lagos with just 14 million naira paid in installments. You don't want to miss out this opportunity, so contact us to secure your home. Your dream home awaits.